Let's change the engine air filter on a Toyota 4Runner. Now, Toyota's used the same engine in the 4Runner for a long time, so this is applicable to most models between 2009 and 2024, which is the current year. We're using an STP SA10835 engine air filter. If you're not sure, just ask the people at AutoZone. The engine air filter lives inside this compartment over here on the left-hand side. It's got 4 clips that hold it in place. You can unclip it with your fingertip, like this. Then simply repeat with the other 3 clips. Lift up on the top of the compartment, and then remove the old engine air filter. Now, before installing the new filter, it's a good idea to take it and compare it to the old filter to make sure that they're the same shape. With that satisfied, you can slide the new engine air filter into the compartment face down. When closing the compartment, take a moment to make sure that it's properly aligned. You can tell it's aligned when you can easily close the clips just like this. Repeat with the other 3 clips. If the compartment wasn't aligned, they wouldn't close. The clip in the back is a little tricky, you might have to feel around. And just like that, you are now done. Congratulations! Hey, it's this guy. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to support my channel.